Okay. So we'll just start with a prayer, okay? ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलास्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां लक्ष्मी हयग्रीव उपास्महे सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Am I audible? Yeah. Okay. So Shreyas, today we are seeing Narasimha story, or you can also say Prahalada story. Okay. So, do you know who is Prahalada's father?
Hiranyakashyap.
Excellent. Super. Hiranyakashipu, right? So, is Hiranyakashipu a good boy or a bad boy?
Bad boy.
Bad boy. Okay. So, what he used to do is, he used to slay all the good people. He used to trouble all the good people. Okay. Now, actually, Hiranyakashipu's brother, who is Hiranyakashipu's brother?
Hiranyakshak.
Excellent. So, Hiranyaksha was killed by
Varaha.
Varaha. Excellent, both of you. So, he was killed by Varaha. Okay. So, now Hiranyakashipu is very angry with Vishnu, Lord Vishnu. So, he wants to take revenge on Vishnu. Hence, he decides to do a tapas.
Tapas.
To whom?
Ma'am, to Vishnu.
No.
Brahma.
To revenge Vishnu. To
Brahma.
Brahma. Yes, very good. To Brahma. So, he has started to do the tapas. Okay. But while he was doing tapas, Indra decided to do something. Yes, Sujit. What did he decide to do?
Ma'am, Indra planned to kidnap Kayadu.
Excellent, Sujit. So, Indra planned to kidnap Kayadu. Who is Kayadu, Shreyas? Prahalada's mother. Okay. So, Hiranyakashipu's wife is Kayadu. So, Indra planned to kidnap Hiranyakashipu's wife. Therefore, he started to kidnap, but somebody is stopping Indra from kidnapping her. Who is that?
Harinarayan.
No.
Narada.
Narada, yeah. Narada stopped kidnapping her. And then Narada is saying, wait, Indra, just wait. Why are you kidnapping her? Do you know who is, is Kayadu's son a good boy or a bad boy?
Goodbye. Very, 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 very goodbye.
Excellent. He was a very, 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 very good boy. So, Narada is saying, Hiranyakashipu is a bad boy, but Hiranyakashipu's son is a very, very good boy. So there is no necessity for you to be afraid of her son because her son is a very good boy. Okay. So Narada is saying, now I'll take the responsibility of Kayadu. I'll take Kayadu to my hermitage, to my ashrama, and I'll take care of her. Okay. So Narada took
Kayadu to his ashram.
Took Kayadu to his ashram. And then meanwhile, Kayadu was serving Narada. Okay. She was doing all the cleaning of ashrama, making food for Narada. All the services she was doing for Narada. Okay. So one day, you know what happened, Shreyas? Narada was saying Vishnu Katha to Kayadu. Okay. Narada was saying Vishnu Katha to Kayadu. Kayadu started to feel asleep. She started to sleep. Okay, she started to doze off. At that time, nobody was near. But there was a voice hearing, say the katha. Okay, there was a voice hearing, but there was no one around them. So who was hearing to the story?
Ma'am,
Kayadu?
Prahalada.
Prahalada from inside? Mummy's tummy.
Kayadu's.
Inside Kayadu's tummy, Prahalada was hearing Vishnu Katha. Okay. And then you know what happened? Now Hiranyakashipu is doing lot of tapas. Okay. Now everybody is disturbed by his tapas. Now Indra, other
Ma'am, Hiranyakashipu asked Brahma for should not be killed by any weapons. He should not killed in morning and night, and he should not be killed inside the palace and outside.
perfect, very good. Okay. So now all the devatas are going and asking Brahma, please give us a boon. Please, Brahma, go and you take care of Hiranyakashipu. So Brahma is coming down to earth and he is asking Hiranyakashipu, what do you want? So what did he say, Shreyas? What boon did he ask to Brahma? That's what Sujit told now. Sujit, repeat that.
He should not be killed inside and outside the palace. He should not killed by any weapons, and he should not be killed at day and night time.
Okay. So Hiranyakashipu is asking all this boon. Okay, Shreyas? That he should get more power and he should not be killed by anybody. He should not be killed by an animal. He should not
Or a
be
man.
by a man, by a tool. He should not be killed in the morning or in the evening. Okay.
Morning or night, Hannah?
Sorry, morning or night. You're right, morning or night. And morning or night, and he will be killed in the evening.
He will killed by not a man and the animal, ma'am, but he was being killed by both mingled, ma'am.
Both mingled man and
Animal. Half man, half animal.
half man, half animal. Half Nada, half Simha.
He said, I will kill my
Ma'am, and he has been killed by Narasimha snail.
He was not killed by any tool, but he was killed by Narasimha.
By Narasimha snail.
Okay. So you both know the story. Okay. So, and then Indra gives, Brahma gives the boon and leaves. After that, what did Hiranyakashipu do?
Ma'am, he will kill peoples.
He will kill peoples, he will gain a lot of power, and he will say he is the
God.
king of all the three worlds. He is the leader of everybody, and he will trouble people saying, you should all say, Om Hiranyakashipuve Namaha. Correct?
Yes, ma'am. No one should pray Vishnu.
No one should say Vishnuve Namaha. Instead, everybody should say Hiranyakashipuve Namaha. Okay?
And they should not worship Vishnu also.
You should not worship Vishnu. And then, now Prahalada is growing. Okay? So, when he is becoming a young chap, what will you do after getting 5 years old? You will go to a school, right? Gurukulam. So he was also sent to a Gurukulam by his to his teacher. Okay, by Hiranyakashipu, his father. So in Gurukulam, the Guru was saying something, but he always used to pray to Vishnu.
Vishnu.
So one day, he was brought to his palace by the gurus, thinking to show his performance to his father. Okay. So Kayadu made him ready. he adored him with all the jewels, and she and his guru took Prahalada to his teacher. Okay, sorry, to Hiranyakashipu. And then,
Hiranyakashipu.
and then Prahalada bowed down to his father. He did namaskaram, and then Hiranyakashipu started to speak. So Hiranyakashipu, say me, what have you learned? And then Prahalada is saying, I have learned to worship Vishnu, to pray to Vishnu. So what is the reaction of Hiranyakashipu?
Anger.
He gets very angry. He just pushes Prahalada to the ground and he says, why are you calling my enemy? Why are you speaking about my enemy? Who is Vishnu? Okay. And then he starts to scold his guru. What are you teaching to Prahalada? What have you been teaching to Prahalada? Okay. And then so the second time again he is sent to the Gurukulam. And then again what does he do?
He is worshipping Vishnu.
He's worshipping Vishnu and he's also teaching his friends about
Vishnu.
So this time his guru comes and says he has started to teach about Vishnu to other students also. So Hiranyakashipu gets very
angry.
He gets very angry and then he starts thinking that now I should kill Prahalada. Okay. So first he is sending his servants to kill Prahalada, but he cannot be he cannot be killed. Why was he not why were everybody not able to kill Prahalada?
Because he is worshipping Vishnu, so Vishnu has become as his best friend.
So if we worship Vishnu, nobody can hurt anybody, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because yeah, Vishnu is so powerful. So if we worship Vishnu, all the Vignas will go away, will get away, right? And he is the person who saves everybody each and every moment. Okay. So the next time, what did he do? He started to leave all the serpents, all the snakes on Prahalada. So what did all the snakes do, Shreyas?
Will he eat?
What will all the snakes do?
Bow down.
Huh? It won't
Bow
harm.
down.
It won't harm. Yeah, it won't harm. So it won't harm Prahalada. So next time he tries leaving all the elephants to kill
Him.
Prahalada. But instead of killing Prahalada, they will come and bow to him. Okay. And then he always keeps saying Namo Bhagavate
Vasudevaya.
Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. So the next time
He called his friend Holika to kill him.
he called his sister Holika to kill him, but instead Holika was killed. Prahalada
Because
was
of her fire power.
safe. What, Shreyas?
Because Holika gives a boon because he would never killed, but Prahlad worship Vishnu is Holika killed.
Yes, because he is worshipping Vishnu, Holika is killed. So from this story, what do you understand?
Ma'am, another one.
Ma'am,
why Holika has a power to save herself when somebody is attacking her, ma'am, but she used the opposite to kill Prahalada, ma'am. So she has been died and Prahalada was being saved.
So from this story, what do you understand?
Ma'am, always be in the side of good things.
Always pray Vishnu. Always keep praying Vishnu. He is the one who will protect us. Always pray God, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So the
Ma'am,
next time,
ma'am, don't think I am the God, I am the creator of this world like that, ma'am.
because Vishnu is the creator. So
Yes,
the
ma'am.
next time, they are throwing Prahalada from a high peak mountain. Okay, but still God saves him. God saves Prahalada, and then he is given poison. His food is poisoned, but in spite of eating the poisoned food, he is again saved. The reason is he keeps meditating Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Okay. So if we say this mantra Om Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Bhagavate Vasudevaya, we will always be saved. Did you see the movie Narasimha Avatar, Shreyas?
Yes.
Did you like it?
Yes.
What part did you like the most?
Last part when Radha come back.
I didn't get you. What did you like the most?
When Prahlada goes back to his castle and
Uh-huh.
Narasimha comes.
Oh, beautiful. What did Sujit like the most?
For whole part.
Whole movie. Okay. Okay. So, uh, so they are just trying to kill, but he's not killed at all. So then what happens is his father is
Telling him to call Vishnu.
his father is calling Prahalada and he's asking, you are always saying Vishnu is this, Vishnu is that, Vishnu, Vishnu, Vishnu. Now, show me where is Vishnu. Okay.
If he is brave means tell him to come in front of me and put match. Or
Ask your Vishnu to come front of me. Is Vishnu, so he is showing a pillar and he is asking, is Vishnu in this pillar?
Prahalada told yes ma'am. So he broke. So Hiranyakashipu broke that pillar. Narasimha came.
So, was he in that pillar, Shreyas?
Yes.
Yes, because
When
he.
Narasimha come and killed Hiranyakashipu.
Yes, correct. He is everywhere. He is omnipresent. He is Sarvagnya. He is Sarva Vyapta. Okay. Because he is everywhere and he knows everything. He is Sarvagnya. He knows what will happen in the past tense, in the present tense, and in the future. What will happen tomorrow? What will happen today? What happened yesterday? What will happen to everybody? He knows everything and he is present everywhere. He is there in a chair. He's there in the TV. He's inside us. He's in the food that we eat. He's in the plate from where we get the food. Okay. He's in everybody and he's everywhere. He's Sarva Vyapta. So Prahalada is saying, yes, he is everywhere. He is there in the pillar also. Okay. So now what is Hiranyakashipu doing?
He broke that pillar.
He comes and strikes the pillar. He comes and beats the pillar. Then what happens?
Narasimha came.
Narasimha came out of the pillar doing a big sound. Okay.
Lion sound.
Big roaring lion sound he makes and he just comes out of the pillar. And then what he does, Shreyas?
And then he killed dragged Hiranyakashipu to the gate and killed him.
Then he comes out and where did he kill Hiranyakashipu? He told
On the door.
He killed Hiranyakashipu using his nails at the evening time, and in Tamil they will tell Vasapadi, ma'am. That he killed, ma'am.
He kills Hiranyakashipu in the threshold of the house, okay? Which is not inside, which is not outside. Again, he killed in the evening, which is not day, which is not night, with his nails. That is not a tool. And
Ma'am, he is not an animal and he is not a man, ma'am. He is a lion man.
correct. And Hiranyakashipu also told one other condition. He told that I should not be killed by
Inside,
king or anybody who is created by you. Who is this you? The Brahma. Okay. So I should not be killed by anybody who is created by you. Was Vishnu created by Brahma?
no, ma'am. Ma'am, then who created Vishnu?
Who? Vishnu is there from the Adi, from the start of the Yuga, from start of everything. Vishnu is there. What, Shreyas?
Three Dev.
Huh?
Three Deva.
Okay, so
The one Vishnu Mahesh.
Vishnu, Mahesh and Brahma, right? So, Brahma was, Vishnu was not created by Brahma. Correct, Shreyas?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, that condition was also fulfilled. Okay. And then, now everybody are afraid to see Lord Narasimha. So, who comes to pacify Narasimha?
Ma'am, Prahaladan.
Prahalada comes and pacifies all the devatas, even the Lakshmi Devi. Who is Lakshmi Devi? Vishnu's
Wife.
wife, Vishnu's Patni, right? So even Vishnu's Patni was afraid to go near Narasimha. But Prahalada went near Narasimha and he was pacified. And then Narasimha gives boon to Prahalada, saying that his 7 generations after Prahalada. Now, who was Prahalada's grandson?
Rajbali.
Mahabali Chakravarti, right? So, your 7 generations will, what did he say? I will take care of your 7 generations, don't worry at all. And then he asked Prahalada, what do you want, Prahalada? What did Prahalada ask for?
I don't want anything. I want you only.
Yes, excellent. I want only you. I don't want this. I don't want that. No, I don't want anything. I just want you and I just want to have bhakti on you. I want you always, he told. Okay. But I need one boon. That is, you should forgive my father. Okay. And then Narasimha says, yes, I have forgiven your father. Don't worry at all. And then the katha ends. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, while everyone fear of Narasimha, Indradeva came and told to Prahaladan that please go and tell to Vishnu, don't be the hanger. Like that he told, ma'am. Indradeva.
So today I'll say you one new slogan. They will actually say Tena vina trinam api na chalati. Okay, that means without whom even a grass cannot move. Without Krishna's permission, even a grass also cannot move. Okay. Okay. Shreyas, do you want to say anything?
Can you repeat it?
Huh?
Can you repeat it?
Tena vina trinam api na chalati, which means a grass cannot, even a grass, a small grass cannot move without Krishna's permission, without Krishna.
And Krishna means Vishnu.
Vishnu,
Vishnu's
yes.
avatara.
Yes, Vishnu, right? Okay. Shall we do the finishing prayer?
Yes, ma'am.
You say Sujit, Kayena Vacha.
कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.
Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanastu. Just stop the recording.